Hello friends, Emma here. Today we are going to trace and color some familiar 3D shapes. Are you ready? Let's get started. First is a cube. Draw it slowly so the lines look nice. It's just like a small gift box. Next is a rectangular prism. It's longer and shorter than the cube. It looks like a pencil case. Then we have the sphere. It's perfectly round like a soccer ball rolling around. Next is a triangular prism. It looks like a tiny house roof. After that comes a cone. It's just like an upside-down ice cream cone. And finally, the cylinder, which looks like a can of soda. Now let's trace them to make the lines clear and neat. Perfect! And now let's start coloring. Orange. We'll begin with the cube. The first side will be orange, so bright. Green. The other side will be green, like a box wearing two colors. Next is a rectangular prism. Pink. The front side will be sweet pink. Blue. The two sides will be blue. So cool and fresh. How about the sphere? Yellow. Let's color it all yellow, just like a round lemon. Now for the triangular prism. Purple. The base will be purple, very mysterious. Yellow. The side will be yellow to make it stand out.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell.
onto the cone. Red. The top will be red like a ripe strawberry.
The wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
The base will be green like fresh leaves. Green.
The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the
And
dog.
last, the cylinder. Orange. The side will be orange. So warm and bright.
The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese.
Blue. The top will be blue, like a little sky. All done, friends. These shapes look so playful and colorful. Can you remember their names? See you in the next video.